Hello everyone, we are Saras AI Institute as the first AI exclusive US-based institute offering degree programs. We provide 100% online learning with the skills, mentorship and network you need to excel in AI. So this is our website, www.sarasai.org. Now I will show you our Saras Campus. So this is our Saras Campus, where learner can access their courses, programs. Here they can also view the academic calendar, which include their online classes, support sessions and one-on-one coaching sessions, and also the group sessions. At the moment, this calendar is available only within our campus platform. Now we want to integrate it with the Google Calendar so students, instructors and coaches can also view and manage their schedules session in one place. Since most of the learners already use Gmail, so this integration will make their learning experience simple and more convenient. Thank you.